Hear me now, TVS.
LB, yeah. Hi, I'm Tyeisha and welcome to Shonna's Space. So today I'm going to be making hair gel. This recipe was inspired by Now I Am Nappy. She made a hibiscus and something an aloe leave-in conditioner, and it really inspired me to make my own gel. This is probably the second recipe I'm going to be doing that's inspired by her, and the last thing was the oat gel, and the oat gel was great, so I'm sure that this one is also going to be great. So the ingredients in this are going to be rosebuds, well, dried rosebuds, marshmallow root, aloe vera, glycerin, castor oil, and guar gum. So come with me to my kitchen and let's get this done. Okay, so I'm going in with a tablespoon of marshmallow root. And yeah, I'm using this metal container. I'm going to be doing the double boiler method, so I'm just going to put this over a pot so that we can still make our tea, but not really have the things in direct contact with the heat. Alright, so let me just put that in now. And then I'm going to put a cup of water. And I'm just going to transfer this over to the pot. I'm back, and we have, how much is this? A half cup of the tea. So I guess it reduced it by half. Then I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of aloe vera. Now I'm going to get some glycerin. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of castor oil. So my calculations are horrible, but we're at 3/4 of a cup now, and I believe we use Guar Gum at 1% or 2%. What? Oh, in order to try to get my measurement a little bit better, I'm just going to start with using this container. I'm going to use my scale. Okay, so my mixture is 170 grams. So 1% of that is 1.7 grams. Is it? Okay, but yeah, 1.7 grams. So now I have to try to measure that. So I'm using the tablespoon, and I've zeroed it again. So, whoops. So I can try to get my 1.7 grams now. Yeah. Okay, that was no 1 gram. Okay, we did. Cool. Now to mix it together. Okay, it's already basically becoming a gel, but I think that because it has some lumps in it, it needs some extra that this is not doing. So I'm going to switch to my blender. Alright, I've blended it up, and now I'm just going to pour it in. Look at that! I got gel! At this point, I'm just going to wash my hair and use it. Alright guys, so I'm back. I've washed my hair. It's looking a lot more decent. So down here is where I've already put in the product so far, and I am in love. Like, it actually feels so nice. So the marshmallow root kind of like changed the color from how I would have wanted it to be, because if it was just the roses, it would have been a slight pink tint, but instead it's brown. And this Guar Gum actually worked really good at 1%. Yeah, 1%. So it's really good. And that extra like blending, that did the job rather than just the whipping, because that just the using the mixer left me with a lot of lumps. So this is better. But let me just put this in another part of my hair since you're already putting it right there. Look. Look at that. And probably I'm going to use the shingling method for this wash and go, which is just basically that. And since we've all seen me do like a wash and go already, I am just going to do my wash and go off camera and then come back. But look at it, like, look at it define these curls by just breaking through the product. Like, this is beautiful. But the great thing about using these gums as emulsifiers and thickeners is that you can add in at any point and it will add it in and like continue the emulsification. So I think if I have some left, I should be able to add a preservative at that point, I guess. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. This is basically my hair fully defined. It's still wet, but look how over here where it has partially dried. Like, I have not seen this much definition in such a long time. And obviously, like, now since I've cut off my green ends, it takes my hair well to absorb product. I guess probably the porosity has changed. I don't know, because the ends were damaged, so maybe up here was low porosity. But don't quote me on that because I'm not sure. But it's looking really cute, like homemade gel. Now for the test, although I should probably do this when it's dry, I can try to do like some little like edge type situations up right here. Oops. Let me get my part. This is separated. So I don't usually wear my hair down, so I don't even know what to do with this. But we'll see like when it dries. I will hopefully take some pictures. But I love my hair. Like, I don't even want to bleach it no more. It's been not a couple of days. It's been overnight, and this is my hair the next morning. Look at this definition. I cannot tell you the last time that I have seen my hair this defined. And what I absolutely love about it is that it's not crunchy and it's not flaking all over the place. The only place that's flaking is the front here where I had tried to do my edges. But aside from that, like, it is perfect. And you guys really need to try this. If you try this recipe or whatever, be sure to tag Shonna's face in your pictures or just DM them to Shonna's face on Instagram. Or maybe even comment down below if you plan to try these products. And you guys can also let me know any other natural hair products that you would like me to try making. But thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.